Well, hopefully my camera battery survives long enough to take this clip. It's at 2%. But out here it is 9:27 at night, April 16th, and equipment work has already begun. This is that parts baler from a couple videos ago. You saw us haul this thing home, and hopefully there's enough light out here. Here we use phone light. This is where the knotter assembly used to be. We took that all off. I'm out here cleaning up tools. Oh, the GoPro's about to die. We also got that little Wisconsin 2-cylinder air-cooled engine off. It's sitting there, and I'm probably gonna take a bunch more stuff off, like a bunch of pickup head parts. I'm gonna probably take every sprocket I can get off of this thing. Oh, no. Oh, wait, no? Not dead. We're good. Screen just went black. But it's about to die, so I'll wrap this up, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hay season will be here before you know it, so we'll see the other baler, not this one, the other baler in action soon. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Later, guys.